Hey y'all, Sarah here at Fab Nails. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to be doing a fun swirly design set. Let's jump into it. Alright you guys, so this is what I have prepared so far. We're going to do swirlies on all these. This is what I came up with on this nail. I love this background color. It's like one of my favorites. The background color is Luna Eclipse by Magpie. It's this really cool chameleon, like shifty color polish, if you can see that. The stamping plate that I'm using is this one. Has all the swirly whirlies on it, and it is CJS LC82. This was in collaboration with the Nails by Katie Dutra. She's an excellent nail tech that I've learned a lot from, so go follow her on YouTube. The stamping polishes that I'm using is this like glittery black, and it is number 59. I'm going to be using this really pretty purple. It is number 30. And then a dark gray, and this is number 42. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a lot of these different ones on here. Just at random, I'm not gonna do anything specific. But if you wanted to do them together, there's little examples on the card, and there's also stuff on the back that tells you how to put it all together as well. I'm going to be using the Big Bling from Clear Jelly Stamper. So I'm just going to randomly do swirls on all these nails. Here is the final look of these swirly nails. I'm going to put a top coat on the rest of these and I'll come back and show you the finished result. Alright you guys, this is the final set of the fun swirly nails. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you all so much for joining me today in my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you're having the best day ever. Bye!